Yes, nasa na kami. Skyway. So yan guys, ang ganda ng flyover going to Ninoy Aquino International Airport yun guys. So on our right side guys is the SM Bikutan and what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marinado Vlog, and for today's video we're going to Tagaytay. So guys, join us for our road trip. Before anything else, please consider to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin, Junito Marinado Vlog. So ayan guys, ready na kami going to Tagaytay. So we're here in Pasong Tamo Extension.
Si BP Tiger. Oh, lagi pa-picture sila sa'yo.
So we're now guys on Magallanes. It's
Nakapasok pa. Hindi ko alam kung overlooking din yung ano nila doon. Tingnan ko mamaya pa. Check ko mamaya.
Hirap kaya.
Hindi ka lang alam. Yan. Wala na sa sakyan yan. Pagwaba ka ng Australia.
ayan, dati wala tong mga ano to eh.
Yan bakit? Kabilaan. Yan kabilaan.
Hindi itong tawid pa Mandaluyong, bago to eh.
Sarado to nakarado eh.
Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng views.
Pasok ka pa. Patas
Continue for 800 meters. Meters. Merge onto Epifanio de Los Santos Avenue with Maharlika Highway.
Para sa
And welcome guys to Magallanes, Makati.
In 300 meters, merge onto EDSA Maharlika Highway. Then continue straight to stay on EDSA interchange.
oh, hindi ko muli, hindi mo naman
Continue straight to stay on EDSA interchange Maharlika Highway.
And guys, we're now entering the Skyway.
In 400 meters, merge onto Metro Manila
Ayan
Highway.
guys, nasa Skyway na kami guys. Naiyak sa kanan, SOX sa kaliwa. Yes, nasa pa na kami. Skyway. So yan guys, so ang ganda ng flyover going to Ninoy Aquino International Airport yun guys. So it's fine weather for today guys. So ito guys, tulog-tulog na yung mga nasa harapan. At saka ito yung aming tour guide. At welcome to my vlog guys.
Good morning!
Kumusta kayo dyan?
Happy!
Ayun na sila guys. Mga buhay pa. Live and kicking. Yung iba tulog na. So on our right side guys is the SM Bikutan and the right side is the Azure. Na-vlog na natin yan guys. Yung Azure na yan. So straight lang tayo guys.
Ngayon sa hospital. Ngayon sa hospital na hanapin natin niya.
So for the information of everybody guys, we still here at the Skyway in Calamba side kami guys.
Kaya maganda talaga may car seat to mo.
So ayan guys, at pababa na kami ng Skyway. SLEX Elevated Extension. Thank you for using.
First exit onto CALAX heading to Liberia, Santa Rosa City.
So we're now entering so we're now guys at Mount Plaza Nixie.
I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I take the pics off the middle man. Got black like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be angry.
Oh, 7:30 na lang yung halaman.
Like it's spray tan. It's the what kind of Kanye. In the city, know my name, nigga. I ain't gotta say it.
Greenfield City, Calax guys.
You can get a taste.
235 king, no?
It's first name like Mary Kay.
200 plus pesos.
So guys, ito pa lang yung starting ng toll, yun pa lang yung end of toll. So we're now in the Calax proper. So ang ganda dito guys sa Calax. Bagong bago. So we're now leaving at Calax na guys. At nandito na tayo sa anong road to?
Gumagalaw yung pwesto niyan, pero yung view niyan, umiikot.
So we're now on Silang Road na guys. After the Calax.
You're on
Ayun na
the
guys.
by heavier than usual traffic. You should reach your destination by 8:48.
So ayan guys, at nakakita kami ng lansunin sa daan. Ayan o, nilalanggam. At magkano yung kilo nito is 200 daw. Kompleto na.
So, tanan ko mga pulis. Official ng mga pulis. Dire sila gano. Yung training.
Yan, buko pie. Yan, umusok-usok pa. Nag-stopover kami dito guys. Oo. So, nabili namin yan guys dito sa original buko pie bake shop. Nag-stopover kami dito guys. So we're now guys in the vicinity of Tagaytay.
Ito nga dito. Ito.
Ayun, may pinya dito guys. Tanong natin kung magkano yung pinya.
Ano yung ano sa akin? Ano sa akin?
Magkano yung saging? $50 yung dito. Yung kabila. Tatlo 100. So dito pa rin tayo sa Tagaytay guys. Inabot tayo guys ng almost 2 hours from Fort Bonifacio going to Tagaytay.
Eh, sino na naman ano dito? Malayong pupuntahan namin dito yan. Yung biyahe namin dito.
Ayun lang, nabiluhan.
So we're now in Tagaytay guys.
Ayan, boss. Ikaw rin mamaya. Ulog. Sila lang may puyak eh. Ay, nakakisip ko lang talaga nung madaling.
So first stop namin guys si our
Nakakisip ko lang kung ano,
Lourdes Church, Our Lady of Lourdes Church. So ayan guys, God first, kaya unahin natin yung church. So ayan guys, at nandito kami sa Tagaytay. So first itinerary namin is the Lourdes Church. So God first. So inabot tayo ng 2 hours from Fort Bonifacio going to Tagaytay. And that's for our vlog for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Mariano Vlog.